Hey yo guys, what's up everyone in the world? Welcome back to Farms Room channel. Wait, I'm sorry, that's my other channel. Well, please subscribe as well. Hey guys, welcome back to Cluster Model Kit channel, and in this episode I'm gonna make one old school kit again, and it's 1:144 scale Magella Attack, and maybe I'm gonna give some weathering effect this time and give a little bit modification in this Xeon tanks. Well, without any further ado, let's just build and paint these guys. Let's go! Okay, a little bit explanation in here, and I almost done with this Magella Attack, and all I have to do is just give it and put some weathering effect and maybe a chipping, a little bit chipping maybe. And first I want to beg your pardon because my dirty workshop, but well, okay, next I'm gonna put a little bit weathering effect with the animal and with mystery color too, and with the Tamiya as well. Okay, let's do this.